Finally, Samsung released a new update for the Finland. For here is a old version of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and now I'm going to show you a new one, and I am very excited to download. So here is the new version, One UI 2 upgrade with Android 10. So let's download. Now you can see it start downloading, so let's wait. You can see update ready to install. Now here is my phone, and for the install you should put a charging cable before press the install button. And now install now, and then wait again. It may take like more than 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes, I don't know actually. Let's see. In the next video I will tell you about the new features of Samsung Android 10 version. So here is the phone is going to restart now, and install system update is now on his way. Now phone is updating. Optimizing app should to reach like 455. Oh, too much apps. Now phone going to turn on, and it asking for the pin code. It may now a little slow because there is a lot of apps to download and maybe processor is too much busy. Still, phone's processor is too much busy. My phone is not working well. But let's see after a few minutes. Now it's working, but still busy. But you can see the phone is little bit fast. And there is a lot of new functions. Like dark mode. Now I press the dark mode button. Look at that. The screen going black. It's helped to use the phone when you are on the bed. It not disturb the eyes. And also there is a focus mode. Now check this out. So there is a focus mode. But maybe the phone is still not working well because there is still to download, finishing download. And as you see that there is like the menu is more than clear than before. And look at that. There is a one new option. And devices is tell about all devices that connects with my phone. Also over here. Now I'll press long and you can see details. Cool feature. About my watch. it's paired. Wow, look at that. This is also a very good feature, and I will tell you about all new features of this Android 10 version. So I will check by myself before, then I will tell you in the next video. So now thanks for watching, and if you like, then please share to others and subscribe and press the bell icon button for the next video. Now I will going to show you about the new version. Look at that menu, how it's open and close. And I feel the phone speed is too much than before. Look at that. This is the 2.0 and 10. So take care, bye, and Allah Hafiz.